Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my June Ipsy Unbagging. I feel like my makeup matches this bag really well. That was not on purpose. So the theme is flying colors and it's a Pride Month theme. That's why this is rainbow. And then this talks about how Ipsy, let's see, each of these Ipsy creators on the front are LGBTQ+, but this is just all about Pride Month. So the first product is this Dulce, I don't know, it's DOUCCE, and it says Luscious Lip Stain and 619 Holiday Getaway. It is what I have on my lips currently, because I just filmed a first impression, so I went ahead and did a first impressions of these Ipsy products. So the video that should have gone up, the last video, my most recent one, should be the one that'll have the few makeup products in here, the first impressions of those. I'm not sure how I feel about the color because I'm not a big like orange lip person, and like I feel like this is very monochromatic, and like I am wearing two different eyeshadow palettes because I had two that I needed to do first impressions on, but like now that they've kind of settled, I think that I like this one on camera a lot better, but in person they aren't that different, but this one still looks a little better. But yeah, that's that product. The next thing is this Pixie Glow Tonic, and I've actually been testing this since I got my Ipsy bag, and my skin has definitely cleared up quite a bit since the last time that I filmed. So like the video that should have gone up, like, so 2 videos ago, the haul video, my skin was very clear. I did not wear makeup at all in the haul video. I didn't put any on until I just filmed that first impressions video, so my skin looks a lot better than it did, and I feel like that has really helped the last few days. It gives me like a glowy look without looking oily, because I have problems with looking oily after a while. But yeah. The next thing is this Jante Blue eyeliner, and it's supposed to be a 24-hour wear. It's the eyeliner I have on right now. It's a felt tip. It was really easy to use. I have a lot of, like, I used to be really good at winged eyeliner, and then I've kind of gotten out of the practice. So that's why a lot of times, like, I don't do eyeliner, or like I'll do eyeliner but I don't do wing eyeliner on my channels, because I've really gotten out of the practice, which I really need to start doing it again. But this eyeliner made it really easy to do this wing. So, and then I got this flat shader brush. It's really nice for packing on color. I used it a little bit to do my inner corner highlight, but then I ended up just going with my finger. So like that brush, I tried using it, and I don't know if it was the eyeshadows or if it was the brush that wasn't really working. And like the shimmer shades, I sprayed the brush with Fix Plus, and then they weren't really like working. And then when I used my finger, they turned out really well. So I don't know if it was the brush, the eyeshadow, the Fix Plus. I don't really know. And then the last thing in this month's Ipsy bag is this Unicorn Glow sheet mask. There were 2. I did use one the other day. It was a little sticky after I was done, but then after I put like toner, moisturizer and stuff on it, it was fine. But I like the way it made my skin look. It was another thing that gave me like a dewy look without me looking oily. But yeah, that is everything for this month's Ipsy bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!